Alright, I'm making this video to show how to change out the switch for the sunroof switch for a 2007 through 14 Cadillac Escalade, or 2007 through 14 GM truck, Yukon, Silverado, Suburban, Avalanche, anything in that family. So I went to the dealership because I'm real funny about making sure I use the same OEM parts. So that's the switch. And I'm changing it out because this switch hasn't been functioning like it's supposed to. So to get this little plastic cover off, I used a small pick with an angle. You can probably also use a flathead, but just be real careful because you don't want to break it. I'm gonna use, in here you got, once you get it off, you got 2 screws that's got to come out, and they use a T15. Alright, got 2 prongs right here. They just snap right off. Now, we got it out. The switch has got 2 more screws back here that need a T15. I'm about to sit the camera down and take them out. Alright, so these are actually smaller than a T15. So I'm about to find something else that fit, a smaller one. But we got this harness that's gonna disconnect. So we'll go ahead and do that. Push it in and just disconnect it. And what I'm gonna do before I go through all of that, I'm just gonna connect this new one and see if the sunroof will function like it's supposed to before I start taking everything apart. I think that'll make sense. All right, so right now I just got it hooked up, and I'm gonna try it out and see before I even do all that. Look at that. All right, so we know that works. So I'm gonna end a video on that one, on that note. But here, T15 to get these 2 screws out. Your 2 prongs that pull out. You're gonna need something a little smaller than a T15. Let's see if I got something real quick. All right, so I found the perfect fit, and that's gonna be a T10. T10 is what fits. That's gonna be the perfect fit for it. So now you see you're gonna need your T10 to get these 2 out. Once you get them out, pull this off and put the other one in. Put everything back together, same way you took it out. Simple.